Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing your home address on Apple Maps. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. From the Apple Maps app, tap the Home icon in the Favorites section. On the Home Info page, tap the pen icon beside where it says Address. Then tap Open My Contact Card. This will open your contact page for yourself. Scroll down a bit to get to the address and change your address information. Tap Done in the top right once done. Your home address will now be updated in Apple Maps. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Apple Maps tips and tricks.